Hey, greetings everyone. Here's another quick tutorial about how to use Siri. In this tutorial, I want to talk to you about making a phone call. Now, on your iPhone, you have contacts. You can put contacts in the contact app. If you have a contact in there with their phone numbers, for example, they might have a work number, maybe even a mobile number, what you can do is you can create a call by using your voice. So let me illustrate that for you right now. Hey Siri, call Tony Holowitz work. And as you can see, this is dialing my work phone number. That's all there is to it. If you have multiple numbers in there, for example, a work number or a mobile number, anything like that, you can request. If you do not suggest which number, you'll be prompted which number do you want to call. That's as easy as it is. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Bye now.